Henry Ford, a name synonymous with automobiles, was more than just an industrialist. He was a visionary, a leader who revolutionized not only the automobile industry, but also the very fabric of modern society. His journey, from humble beginnings to becoming a captain of industry, is a testament to the power of perseverance, innovation, and an unwavering belief in one's dreams. Ford's story is an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and dreamers worldwide. Born in 1863 in Greenfield Township, Michigan, Ford's fascination with mechanics began at a young age. This passion would later shape his destiny and leave an indelible mark on the world. His story is not just about cars, it's about the triumph of the human spirit, the relentless pursuit of innovation, and the enduring power of a dream. Ford's life offers valuable lessons for everyone, reminding us that success is not a destination, but a journey paved with determination, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to one's vision. His legacy continues to inspire generations of innovators and entrepreneurs, proving that with unwavering belief and relentless effort, even the most ambitious dreams can become a reality.
If you are liking our video, please support us by subscribing to our channel.
Ford's early life was far from privileged. Raised on a farm, he developed a strong work ethic and a fascination with machinery. His early interest in steam engines laid the foundation for his future in automobiles. Despite setbacks, including failed ventures, Ford's resilience and vision never wavered. His story reminds us that setbacks are stepping stones to success. In 1903, Ford established the Ford Motor Company, marking a pivotal turning point in his career. This venture would become the cradle of his revolutionary ideas and the platform from which he would launch his most iconic creation, the Model T. The establishment of the Ford Motor Company was not just the start of a business, it was the genesis of a revolution. Ford's vision extended beyond just building automobiles. He aspired to make them accessible to the masses. This vision led him to pioneer the concept of mass production, a revolutionary approach that would transform the automobile industry. He understood that affordability was key to unlocking the automobile's true potential and making it a ubiquitous symbol of progress. The introduction of the assembly line in 1913 was a groundbreaking innovation. It allowed for the efficient mass production of automobiles, significantly reducing costs and making cars affordable for the average person. This revolutionary approach to manufacturing not only transformed the automobile industry, but also laid the foundation for modern mass production techniques used across various industries even today. Section 4. Driving into History, the Model T Revolution. In 1908, the Ford Model T, affectionately dubbed the Tin Lizzie, rolled off the assembly line, marking the beginning of a new era in personal transportation. The Model T was more than just a car. It was a symbol of freedom, progress, and accessibility.
If you are liking our video, please support us by subscribing to our channel.
Its affordability and reliability made car ownership a reality for millions, forever changing the landscape of American society. The Model T's simplicity, durability, and affordability resonated with the masses. It became an integral part of American life, transforming rural communities, boosting the economy, and paving the way for the development of suburbs. The impact of the Model T extended far beyond the realm of transportation. It brought about a social and cultural revolution. Ford's commitment to continuous improvement led to several innovations in the Model T's design and production. He constantly sought ways to make the car more efficient, affordable, and accessible to a wider audience. His unwavering focus on customer needs and his relentless pursuit of innovation cemented the Model T's legacy as one of the most influential automobiles ever built. Section 5. Legacy of a Titan. Ford's enduring impact. Henry Ford's impact transcended the automobile industry. He became a cultural icon, a symbol of American ingenuity and industrial prowess. His pioneering of mass production techniques revolutionized manufacturing processes, influencing industries far beyond automobiles. His legacy extends from the factories to the very fabric of modern society. Ford's influence can be seen in the rise of the middle class, the development of suburbs, and the growth of the American economy. His ideas and innovations shaped not only the 20th century, but continue to influence the 21st century as well. His story serves as a timeless reminder of the power of innovation, the importance of social responsibility, and the impact one person can have on the world. Ford's legacy is not without its complexities. His views on labor relations and his personal beliefs have been subjects of debate and scrutiny. However, there is no denying his profound impact on the world and his enduring contributions to the automotive industry. Section 6. An Unwavering Spirit, Timeless Lessons from Henry Ford. Henry Ford's journey from a farm boy to an industrial titan is a tale of perseverance and innovation. His story teaches us that success is a journey marked by challenges and triumphs. Ford's life offers invaluable lessons for aspiring entrepreneurs and dreamers. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. His setbacks fueled his determination and learning. Ford's innovation, like the assembly line, shows the need to evolve. Making cars accessible highlights social responsibility. Dream big, persevere, and leave a positive impact. With passion and determination, dreams can become reality.
Thank you. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.